Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Buono Mochi iced dessert green tea. Now, this is pretty cool because it's actually made with freshly squeezed coconut milk. So it is dairy and soy free as it says, and it's gluten free. So, and it's green tea flavored, so check this out. That's the ingredients. So it does have quite a bit of sugar, and the ingredients are right here. If you guys want to read it, pause it. Alright. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. So, they come in these nice little pouches. That's what it looks like. And so the outside is a chewy skin, and then basically inside is the coconut ice cream. So, tastes pretty good. It has a nice aroma of green tea. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.